from a file. Now we can read from the file. We have to use fopen, file open. This is the function we use, and we can take some buffer, means you can partly or wholly read the content of the file starting from the first character. Now this fp is pointing where? If this is a file, fp is pointing here. Now you start reading it. When you are reading it, means you are reading the character, say, or you can read also the whole line. You can read a buffer size. This all is possible. So to read the file content from memory, we have a function called fgetc, and we will use, this is in our program, this is a fp, which is actually fp returned by fopen. Fopen, inside fopen we have the file name in double quotes, comma, the mode in which we open, and when it returns to fp. fp is the pointer. Now this pointer can be used inside fgetc so that one by one the character can be read. Now when fgetc reads one character, it automatically advances to the next character till the time we want it to happen. And this fgetc, if we put it in a while loop, or you can say an infinite loop, while 1, that means it is going to read one by one till indefinite. That is why we have used, or we can use in between. Every time we can check the character to be end of file. End of file is nothing but it is 26 in ASCII. So it's a special character which signifies or indicate that we have reached the end of file and we are not going to read beyond that. And when we are reading it, as I just said, EOF we use, and this EOF end of file is having a ASCII character, or it is actually a macro whose number assigned is 26. So this end of file, I must say not 26, basically EOF is equivalent to the ASCII character 26, and it is defined, this macro is defined in stdio.io.h. And fgetc is file get nc. This means from file get a character. We can also use the getc with the same effect. We have already used this getc, right? So we use this fgetc with a while loop, and we read one by one character till the time we reach the end of file.